Breaking news, the Constitutional Court has dismissed the application from by EMK party to to interdict the sitting of Parliament on Friday, the 14th of June, where where a president will be elected. Probably inaugurated later on, because I keep saying inaugurated, elected. What's the difference between elected and inaugurated? But look, that's not our problem for today. I'm glad I have released videos earlier on where I explain that man, you must look at movements here. You could tell. There's a video I released where I said that this person said that by the look of things in the Constitutional Court, they are not intending to listen to the issue or the application by MK Party. But prior to that, I've released a video where I spoke about the judge, former Chief Justice Mogoeng. Remember what he said there. So if you understand look at that video where I was speaking about Mogoeng, 3 videos or 2 videos from this video, you must just check these videos now. If you understand what he said then, and you're looking at how things are unfolding, you could tell that. I'm not surprised by this decision at all. I am not surprised. This decision does not surprise me at all. On the other hand, there is a statement by Duduzile Zuma Sambondla speaking about the vindication, or look at how the court has vindicated her on what has happened today. So we'll talk about that. And she has confirmed. Remember, she wrote, and I made a video about it to say, she wrote a tweet where she said that she was speaking about defamation case loading. This letter does confirm that indeed she will pursue legal actions against this woman, or against this man called Jabulani. So we have a date. We really need to talk, and we are about to talk, provided that you are interested. If you are interested, I've discovered, speaking about being interested, I've discovered that, ever since I've left this planet Earth, I always ask myself a question. When you ask people money, they don't give you money. Even if they've got it in abundance, you can't ask them their wives, obviously, and their husbands, they won't give you, or their children. You ask them their cars, they won't easily give you their cars. Cell phones, they won't easily give you their cell phones. But then you ask yourself, and then I'm asking them something that is free to do, and they don't do it, and you're like, these people must be stingy. Like, come on, guys. Why don't you do this? If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying? We'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. All right. In a letter with the heading Constitutional Court of South Africa, case CCT 178/24, in a matter between Umkhonto weSizwe Party as the applicant and Chief Justice of the Republic of South Africa as the first respondent, Secretary to Parliament as the second respondent, Electoral Commission of South Africa as the third respondent, President of the Republic of South Africa as the fourth respondent, political parties with designated representative in the National Assembly as the fifth 50 to 21st local responded. Political parties without designated local representative in the National Assembly as the 22nd of to the 5th responded. Order. That's what is written here. And then the judges, yeah, they give the judges. The Constitutional Court has considered the agent application brought by the way of a exclusive jurisdiction and alternative direction, direct access. It has concluded that give me a moment. Okay. And then I have two. The impugned decision or conduct do not engage this court exclusive jurisdiction in terms of section 127 bracket 4 bracket A. Additionally, it is not in the interest of justice to grant direct access as the impugned decision or conduct first arose between 1 to 2 June 2024. To the knowledge of the applicant, however, despite this knowledge, the applicant only launched the application on the 10th of June 2024. The application has failed to show any justification for not bringing this application sooner when it was aware of the constitutional requirement to convene the National Assembly no later than 14 days after the declaration of the election result. In the circumstances, the agency thus self-created. Furthermore, the application must fail on the merit. The application has not made out a case to granting of the interim interdict, as it is either shown that it will suffer irreparable harm if the interdict is not granted, nor that the balance of the convenience favors the granting of the interdict. The applicant has also misconstrued the relevant constitutional provision to the relevant provision in seek to rely on. In addition, the application has not adduced fact to establish prima facie case in respect of a relief it will seek in the main application in order to sustain interim interdict pending the main application. Moreover, the applicant's acknowledgement of its own irregular service while persisting with its application cannot be sustained, as the relief being sought carries adverse consequences to other parties who had not been properly served. Even if the application met the requirement for direct access, absent proper service, the application cannot be entitled to relief sought. Right? Okay. Then it continues to say, moreover, the applicant's acknowledgement of his own irregular service while persisting with application cannot be sustained, as a relief being sought carries adverse consequences to the other parties being properly served. If the okay, I've already left it. I've already read that thing, Bungan. What are you doing? It's just nice reading this. What are you doing, man? Sorry. Forgive me. Okay. All right. So, thus, the Constitutional Court have dismissed the application by controversies. Now, statement dated again 12/06/2014. Mrs. Duduzile Zuma Sambudla on the Criminal Act of Perjury by Mr. Khumalo. Now, listen carefully. Another statement. I am pleased with the recent decision of the Electoral Court, which has dismissed the unfounded allegation against me by Jabulani Khumalo, affirming my integrity and malicious nature of the accusation made. The court has categorically rejected Jabulani Khumalo's claim that I forged his signature, establishing that such allegations were not only baseless but constituted a deliberate act of perjury. Did you hear that? If you didn't hear that, forget about it. This judgment vindicates me and MK Party fully and highlights the extent to which Jabulani Khumalo's Roji element of some element within the ANC strengthened trained media has colluded in attempt to tarnish my reputation. Their actions are clear reflection of their desperation and unethical tactics driven by bias agenda against me. Guys, I'm trying my best. Look, it's very difficult to read here. You can see that I'm reading a photocopy of an original statement. And then it continues to say, in light of this development, I am currently consulting with my legal team with an intention to initiate a defamation proceeding against Jabulani Khumalo. His actions aimed at damaging my credibility and that of MK Party cannot go unchallenged. I intend to pursue all available legal remedies to hold him accountable for deceitful behavior and unwarranted distress it has caused. This case is not only about clearing my name, but it's also about standing up against those who misuse the legal system to further their own vindictive ends. We will continue to fight against such injustice and uphold the truth. Bese kusena nje ukuthi amandla awethu, amandla awethu kwasa. Kuyadlala guys, ozangishaya ududuzile Zuma athi hey ubaba Zuma lapha thina fana uthini indoda kungendodakazi yami lana. But yeah, that is what I have for you today. Yeah. Tell me your thought and your opinion in the comment section below. I'll see you guys on the next video. But until such a time, please take care.